This is the HBN outdoor and indoor wireless remote control single 3-prong outlet. This product consists of a receiver and a remote control. Plug the unit to an outdoor rated 3-prong electrical outlet. The outlet device is easily controlled by the remote control from up to 100 feet in line of sight. Press the on and off button on the remote control or the power button on the outlet device to turn on or off the power output. To pair the outlet to the remote control, with the outlet device plugged into the power outlet, press and hold the on and off button for 3 seconds, and the light indicator will start flashing slowly. Release the on and off button on the outlet device and press either on or off button on the remote control to pair. Should you wish to unpair the outlet device from the remote control and reset, plug in the outlet device while press and hold the on and off button on the outlet device. The light indicator will start flashing, and when the light indicator stops flashing, you may release the button and the reset process is now complete. For detailed information, please refer to the enclosed instructions.